Welcome to the demonstration with Big Data Transformations. In this demonstration, we are sorting with the IRI Workbench development environment. CoSort's ability to sort big data efficiently can speed database loading, accelerate ETL operations, be used as a step to other processes like joins and aggregations. There are multiple tools in CoSort. Here are some. SortCL, with or without the IRI Workbench development environment. 2 distinct application interfaces, or APIs. Plug-in replacements for third-party sorts. This demo will show how to set up a sort job for CoSort using the IRI Workbench. The sort is accomplished using the SortCL tool in CoSort. Workbench is used to create the job script using the SortCL language. Then Workbench can run the job script. Job scripts have 3 main parts: the input section where data sources are defined, the action section where, in this case, where the sort keys and options are defined, and the output section where the sorted targets are defined. We are going to sort a CSV file called salesin.csv, located in the project Sort Demo. Double-click on salesin.csv. The file displays in the center area where you can see that there are comma-delimited records and a header record giving the field names. To begin creating the sort job, click on the stopwatch, which shows the CoSort options for creating a job. Select New Sort Job. Folder contains the name of the project. We need to type in the name of the job specification file that will contain the SortCL commands for the job. Sort sales is the name, and Workbench will add the .scl to the name. Click Next. This brings us to the Data Sources screen. Click Add Data Source. Make sure the file's radio button is selected, then type in the name of the input file, or browse to your input file. Click OK. In Workbench, I previously created a metadata file that defines this input file. Click Add Existing Metadata. Double-click on salesin.ddf. Click Next. Now expand the file icon, then the specification metadata icon to display the names of the input fields. Now we can select the keys for the sort. Click on the field Store Num, then Add Key. Do the same for Department Num. We want Department Num to be sorted in descending order. Click on that key field and select Edit Key. On the Properties line, click on the Direction drop-down menu. Select Descending. Click OK. If there is more than one record with the same key values, we want those records output in the order that they were encountered. So, under Key Options, check the Stable box. Now click Next. This brings us to the Data Target screen, where we will define one output file for this job. If we wished, we could define multiple outputs. Click Add Data Target. Type in the name sales.out. Click OK. Click Edit Target Options. Here we need to select the file format for this output file. We want this file to have comma separators but no header record. Click on the drop-down menu for Format. Select Delimited. Now click OK. Click Target Field Layout. The top section of this screen has the input fields. The bottom half is where the output fields are defined. Initially, all the input fields are placed in the output in the order that they occur in the input. We can now make changes to the output fields by removing fields, changing the order of the fields, and making changes to the data type. Right-click on the field Item Num. Select Remove. Click and hold on the field Transaction Date. Drag that up to the top. Look at the position column. This indicates the field number in the record. To make these numbers sequential, click on Reposition Fields. We are now finished defining the fields for this file. Click OK. Click Finish. This concludes the steps necessary for defining this sort job. If you look at the center workbench screen, you see the file sortsales.scl. It has all the commands in the SortCL language that were generated by the process that we just completed. This is a text file that can be edited using Workbench or modified by hand if desired. Now we can run the job script. Click on the green arrow in the toolbar. The output file has been placed in the project. By double-clicking on it, we can display it in the center screen of Workbench. Alternately, the job script can be run in a batch script or from the command line. This concludes the demo where we took a CSV input file with a predefined metadata file, defined keys and output layout for a comma-delimited output file, then ran the sort job. Thank you for watching Data Transformation Sorting with the IRI Workbench Development Environment. For general information about IRI, visit us at www.iri.com.